Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt from RC World, and today I want to show you guys how to use the Pro X FPV. I just fixed mine. It's this motor right here. I had to solder it and it was kind of cracked, and very simple to solder the positive and negative. So I'm going to show you guys how to use those. And then I'm going to go flying FPV outside. Okay, so what you're going to do is first, if you want to film, you film from the drone. And when you film from the drone FPV, it looks a lot better. Now they say it's HD, but it's more 720p. And I got my little micro SD card. When you first get the Pro X FPV, it comes with 4 new blades, a blade prop removal, 1 charger, 1 battery, 1 controller, and an SD card USB reader adapter, and the micro SD. Now my micro SD card reader adapter broke, but I still have the SD card. But this one, I'm just using another one right now. The Pro X FPV will have its logo on the SD card, which makes it a lot better. And also, you can film from the side of the controller too. So I pop it in right there, I think. But yeah, and I'll show you guys how to do that later. Now, I'm going to insert the card where it says card. You want the writing facing up, as so. Now, you're going to turn the controller on. It's going to say system interlies, bind to plane. Then you're going to turn it on. And then mind you, one of my front lights are dead, so don't mind that. If I bend my whole thing up a little bit, it kind of comes on a little bit weird. So now you're going to get your screen. I'm going to point the camera facing at me. So now mind I have a few dead pixels on mine, so don't mind that. Hopefully the screen is replaceable, and it's got your battery there. And then you can, like that. And then all your left in stuff. I'm going to show you a few things on here. If you press in on this one for a few seconds, you'll pop up the main menu, and you can set all your stuff and your frequencies. I'm going to check my frequency. It should be on, I'm going to put mine to 25. Usually it's on 25 megahertz. Then I'm going to deformat memory. I think you have to have the card in it. Yeah. And then I'm going to exit. And then now, if you hold this one down right here, it'll say LCD off, and it'll turn that off. So now I'm going to turn it back on. I like to keep mine off. It saves battery. And then you're going to have your little indicator light right here. Also, if you want to press record, you can press it. But mine, you see how fast it is now? It's way slower when I'm recording. I'm not going to show it yet, but it is way slower. So filming FPV is a little bit hard, but I'm gonna figure out how to do it on this display. And I never realized this, but there is the wattage up here. I forgot that it shows the watts up there, or the volts. Which is, I'm at 4.5 and 4.4, which is, I think, the highest. And then that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you guys a few more things after I figure it out, and then I will get to flying.